Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm on my knees. Mama's on her knees. Oh, I am taller than you. That's probably because you're on your knees. And I'm on my knees. And, I got some stuff to unbox. Welcome to Aries Unicorn Club. I got some stuff to unbox. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while. Been busy. We both have. And yeah. I got this Easter basket to unbox. I'm sorry. It has some candies and it has a kickball. I love kickballs. And I got this LOL Surprise Tweens to unbox. The name is Lexi Gurl. Which one do you think I should unbox first, Mama?
Let's do the Easter basket because I think that'll be pretty great.
Okay. So we are going to be unboxing the Easter basket. I gotta take off this little twist tie thing.
And she got this from her grandma Chubby.
We went to Atlanta for about 2-3 days. On Friday we went. Friday the... I forgot.
15th.
Friday the 15th. And we came home Sunday the 17th. And today was my first day back to school. Monday the...
Wait, because they probably can't hear anything you're saying.
Today was my first day back to school, Monday, which is Monday the 18th. Ooh, look! I got some bubbles, and I got some candy, and I got a kickball. The candy is Smarties candy, M&M's, and the Sour Patch or Sour Punch Chicks and Bunnies, assorted flavors. Ooh. And then I got a new Easter basket and I got a new kickball. Because if you don't know already, Luna tore up my soccer ball and I've been wanting to get a new one, but we haven't been able to. And so, I got a kickball. I like kickballs. I love kickballs. And I got this new basket.
Yeah, it's cute. It has donuts all over it.
Yeah.
And this has donuts on it.
Yeah, I think it was donut themed because yeah. And the bubble thing comes with like a little tray that you can pour the bubbles in. And it has the little donut dipper thing. The bubble blower. Yeah, that's really cool. I will send many thanks to Chubby. I don't think there's anything in there. Time to unbox the LOL Tweens. See what kind of... Oh, I'm sorry. See what kind of stuff I get in here. Alrighty. How do I do this? I don't remember how I unboxed the other one.
Okay, there's tape. Let me get some scissors.
Okay. My name is Boom Boom.
Scissors.
I do not recommend using sharp scissors unless they are safety scissors without an adult around. So don't use scissors without an adult around unless they're safety scissors and you have permission to use them and you're older than 10 or you're older than 5 or 6. I don't know. Hello, it's me. Oh, here it comes. This is interesting.
That's cute.
Yeah. This is it outside of the box. Time to open up everything and see what kind of prizes we get. She comes with her little magazine.
Her name is Lexi Gurl.
Mm-hmm.
Gracie's skates is cute.
Yeah, that looks cute.
And glasses.
Maybe we can find some tweens to unbox and whatnot. Some more LOLs.
Is this your first one?
No, I have 2 other ones. This is my 3rd one, but this one is my first one from series 2. They have different series. I think they have like 5 series already.
Oh.
This is the Lexi Gurl notebook. Tells you about what she looks like. This is what it looks like. So we got one in this BB Boutique thing. Gotta open this up. Ooh, it's wrapped in paper. Let's see. Oh, so cute. It's a bracelet, earrings, and another bracelet. It's so cute. Look. It has like this pattern on it. And then we have this one. Matches with her outfit.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got triangle earrings. This is only 1 or 2, but I don't feel like picking up the other one because I'm afraid I'm going to drop it and lose it again. This is the doll. Let me get one of the other package things. It has whatever this thing is. I forgot what this is. And I'm going to open it. See what's inside. Oh, a brush to comb out her hair. Or a comb, not a brush, a comb. Comb to comb up her hair. And then, let's see what's in this one. It's the last one. It's probably the water bottle. Or a water bottle or something. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cute!
Backpack?
Yeah. Half and half sewn together. It's so cute. And then here is the stand that she comes. Now time to actually take out the doll. Okay, so that's gonna give me a minute. So quick snip in the hands. There we go. This is so cute. Putting on the accessories. That's a big bracelet. I don't know if it is a bracelet or not now that I think about it.
It looks like a bracelet.
True.
I don't think it would fit anywhere else.
True. Other than maybe her leg. The earrings are making me struggle and rage.
Yep.
Yes. There.
Can you see the earrings? Cute. Very cute.
Thank you.
Fashionista.
Wait, watch this. Wait. Wait, let me try that again.
I like their hair. Looks like cotton candy.
Yeah. Looks like it'll be a good snack to eat. Put the backpack on. Okay, now time to put her backpack on. This doll is like the perfect doll for anything you want to do. Like, I feel like this doll would be the perfect doll, like, be the perfect, like, anything that you want to do. Like, this doll could work at the fair as anything. Tightrope walker? No, yeah, I got it. Clown? I got it. Conductor? I got it. Jester? I got it. Fashionista? Already got it. Look how small, how big it is on the actual wrist.
I think it's supposed to be like a cuff.
That?
Yeah, it seems like it won't slip off.
Okay. Let me brush the bangs a little. They seem really stiff. They're really stiff. I'm just gonna leave them.
They are very stiff. Let me see. Oh, yeah.
But yeah, this is my LOL. Her name is Lexi. I forgot.
Girl. The Gurl.
Lexi Gurl. This is the finished, product. She got some earrings. She got this cute book bag. Really cute book bag. Opposites. She got this dress. She got these shoes. She got bloomers. Shorts underneath.
And socks and boots.
And she got these little bows in her hair. Surprisingly, the bows aren't plastic. Like, they're actual little mini bows.
Nice.
I just love this doll. This doll is going to be one of my favorite tween dolls. But then again, all tween dolls are my favorite. I'm going to put her in here with the other things. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining me in my unboxing video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm going to go have a lot of fun with this doll and my kickball and the bubbles. And I'm going to eat this candy.
Alright, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with all your friends. And stay tuned for whatever else Ari has in store for her next video. So thank you for watching, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!